So now the repairs are underway, we may need to address the structure and ensure that the vehicle dimensions meet the OEM specifications. You see, while a lot of people worry about paint, I need to tell you that the structural repairs, even though they're not visible, they are really one of the most important foundations to ensuring that your vehicle is restored back to pre-accident condition. So Danny, what's involved in performing structural repairs?
Great. So this can include a couple steps, but this is going to be putting the vehicle up on a bench to ensure that the vehicle is restored to its factory specification. We're going to be doing some pooling, some aligning. We can even be replacing some major components of that structure to ensure that the vehicle is fixed correctly. Again, we want to make sure that we replace these components following the manufacturer's recommendations and making sure that we're using the advanced tools and training by our expert technicians there. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.